Juicing for seniors. The elderly population is growing worldwide. With that growth comes a need for better nutrition. One of the most popular diets among seniors is the paleo diet, which eliminates processed food and includes juicing as part of its plan. The question of what's the best juice for elderly adults has been debated for a long time. It's important to remember that they are higher risk of developing health issues due to their age. Hey there, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss juicing for seniors. The importance of juicing for the elderly. As we age, our need for particular nutrients can change. A pure fruit and vegetable juice is a great way to get the same benefits of whole foods without having to chew, which can be a problem for an older person with weak teeth or dentures. Juices for eyesight and great vision. As we age, our eyesight can get worse. There are special nutrients called antioxidants that are great for vision. We've all heard how carrots can help you see in the dark. Well, this is because they contain those special nutrients. Carrots, kale, spinach and beetroots contain high amounts of these antioxidants, so juices made with these vegetables will help our senior citizens see as well for as long as possible. Juicing for bone health. As we get older, our bones get weaker and a simple fall can cause a painful break. We all know calcium is great for bones, and the best juice of all to get calcium is milk, from cows, nuts or soy. However, we need vitamin D, magnesium and vitamin K so that we can use the calcium that we eat for our bones. So, which juices contain these nutrients? Green vegetables such as kale, spinach, parsley, collards and good old cabbage contain calcium and vitamin K, which can help with bone health. These greens also have plenty of iron in them, so they can help with blood health and keeps everyone, including the elderly, full of energy. What nutrients are essential to seniors? As we age, our immune system is less effective at fighting off bugs, so juices full of zinc, magnesium and vitamins A, C, D and E, which keep our immune system healthy, are great for the elderly. To finish, here are a few simple juices that will benefit the health of our senior citizens. Mixed fruit juice. A simple juice for seniors is a mixture of the 5 fruits: orange, kiwi fruit, blueberries, strawberries and cantaloupe melon. Green vegetable juice. Made up of kale leaves mixed with watermelon, cucumber, celery stalks, etc. This rich green smoothie is perfect for the elderly. So, that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.